This is Life with Marlene, and we are here in Atlanta, Georgia at the Georgia Aquarium. Let's go inside and see all of the things that the Georgia Aquarium has to offer. Make sure you hit that like, you subscribe, and share this video with someone you know will enjoy. Let's do this.
That is so neat. Wow.
These dolphins were so cute, catching their own bubbles, just absolutely adorable. They're bottle-nosed dolphins, and there were so many of them there. Aren't they so cute? I think so too. So you must scan the QR code in order to get into the show. You have to inform them how many people is in your party, and then they will scan that and you can go into the show. Like I said, it's free, but I believe that this was the best part of going to the Georgia Aquarium, the Pellegrisio adventure experience. It's well worth the time, so put time in your schedule and do it. You will not be sorry. Wow, it's so exciting when they jumped out. I could not believe it. I was screaming. It was so cool.
Skeletal structure shares some surprising similarities, but also some major differences. See the pectoral flippers on the side? Believe it or not, inside these flippers are bones, creating a modified shoulder and elbow, as well as 5 finger-like digits that look very similar to our hand. These flippers are used for stopping and steering, while the dorsal fin on their back is used for stabilization. A dolphin sends out sound waves which bounce off of objects and return through the fat-filled cavities of the lower jaw.
This was so cute. The dolphins kept spinning over and over again. I bet that they were getting dizzy. This is the time where if you were in the splash zone, you were going to get fully drenched. is where I cried. I have never seen a dolphin so close up. Look at this. I saw it coming and it was at the bottom. It was so close to me. It was so cute. I looked right in that dolphin's eyes. It was absolutely amazing.
So I will see you guys on the next one. My trees, the weather changing. Look at this, is beautiful. Right outside of the Georgia Aquarium.
Shout out to my amazing and supportive members, Leticia, Heather, Sirius, Dave, Gio, Nexie, and Tracy Lee. Join channel membership. It starts at 99 cents to be featured.